Hola, buenos días, buenas tardes, buenas noches, wherever you are. This is Mr. Brigs. Today we're going to learn how to ask, how do you get to in Spanish? If you're asking for directions in Spanish, this particular video is very important. But before we commence, I have something important to share with you. I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you already subscribed and you're perhaps a teacher and you want to download the printables and lessons, subscribe to my VIP premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you'll be able to download all the lessons. This is how you ask, how do we get to somewhere in Spanish? ¿Cómo llego a? Or you can also say, ¿Cómo llego al? Al is a contraction of the two Spanish words a and el, and it can mean to the. But don't worry about it. Let's see some examples in order to make sense of all these. For example, if you wanted to ask, how do I get to the city center? Then you would say, ¿Cómo llego al centro? This is what we refer to as a Spanish contraction, where we place two words, the words a and el, and we join them together and it becomes al. So instead of saying, ¿Cómo llego a el centro? We join a and el together and it becomes al. ¿Cómo llego al centro? Just to give you an easy idea, think about the contractions we use in English. Sometimes we say, I don't, instead of saying, I do not. Or didn't, instead of saying, did not. Well, in the same manner, you will also find some contractions in Spanish sometimes. Practice and memorization will help you to store these sentences in your long-term memory. Now, if you wanted to ask, how do I get to your house? Then you would ask, ¿Cómo llego a tu casa? This sentence is very easy. ¿Cómo llego a tu casa? How do I get to your house? To your house. A tu casa. How do I get to? ¿Cómo llego a? And if you wanted to say to your house, a tu casa. A means to. Tu, without the tilde, without the little accent on top of the U, means your. And casa means house. A tu casa. To your house. Easy peasy. Let's move on to the next one. Siguiente, next one. How do I get to the train station? ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? Una vez más, one more time. ¿Cómo llego a la estación de tren? How do I get to the train station? Otro ejemplo, another example. If you want to ask, how do I get to this place? Then you would ask, ¿Cómo llego a este lugar? Este lugar means this place. ¿Cómo llego a este lugar? This question is very handy. Make sure you memorize it. Siguiente, next one. How do I get to this address? ¿Cómo llego a esta dirección? ¿Cómo llego a esta dirección? One more time. ¿Cómo llego a esta dirección? Esta dirección, this address. Don't forget, I upload daily. Every day there's a new video for you to enhance and improve your Spanish. If you like this video, please give me a like and share it with your friends. It will truly help my channel and will allow me to continue producing free videos for you. If you want to gain access to the printables, double check my premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you can gain access to the printables. Okay, my dear amigos, thank you so much. Once again, please take care, look after yourself, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Ciao, ciao.